From Flashy Phones. This is an example of us fixing your computer. When you purchase service on our website, we give you instructions in the email to set up your computer and to set up your phone. It's simple English. You do not need to be computer savvy. Just know how to read. So what I'm doing now is reinstalling drivers for this gentleman that plugged his phone in and the drivers were corrupted. So in his device manager, you will see that the phone is not noticed. So we're reinstalling his drivers and going through our troubleshooting to get this phone to be noticed correctly on the computer. And this is a remote session. So as you see, it says Sony PC. That is his PC, and we're remotely going into his phone. So on the left with the white, where it says buy and sell on Swapper, that's our computer. On the right, where you see the black with the blue border, that is our computer that we're servicing remotely. Keep in mind, if you go anywhere else, other places will just give up right after 5-10 minutes. They'll say, sorry, we cannot do your phone. This is where Flashy Phones is different. Real humans, real phones, and real service. Again, the website is unblockmysamsung.com. Consider us because we're pretty much the best. Thank you very much.